Customers from different parts of Africa who recently purchased various models of our LED displays have generously shared real footage of the products in action. These videos vividly demonstrate how our displays perform in a variety of environments, showcasing not only their superior visual quality, but also their reliability and versatility in real-world conditions. The feedback we have received has been extremely positive, with many customers stating that our LED displays have fully met their expectations, and in some cases even exceeded them. This feedback is invaluable as it not only confirms the competitive advantages of our products, but also provides us with a deeper understanding of the specific needs and preferences of the African market. The case studies collected by these customers help solidify our position in the region and will serve as a powerful testimonial as we continue to expand our presence in Africa. Going forward, these real-world applications and customer testimonials will play a key role in supporting our expansion efforts, laying a solid foundation for our future success in this critical market.